What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, what's up, kinfolk? Welcome back. I'm going with the green shimmer, little black smoky on the corners there. Y'all see it, you see it. I'm obsessed with this green. I didn't really know how I was gonna do the color palette scheme for this. You to do me a quick favor, click that like and subscribe button for your girl. Thank you to all of my supporters. Without further ado, you already know the drill, honey. If you like what you see, then you're definitely in the place to be. Keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our natural forest green look. Already completed the eyebrows for you. We're gonna apply the primer and then we're gonna get to it, okay? Okay. I'm going to apply my concealer over top of my eyelids. Can give me a fresh palette, honey. Boom! You see it. Look good already. We're gonna go in and I want to use this. It's like brownish something. Use this as our base coat. All over the lids, honey. All over there, all there. Super cute. So we're gonna go into the crease here with a little more of the brown. Thank you. Now we're gonna buff it out. Okay, so now that it has been buffed out to your liking, now going to apply the green glitter shimmer. This one right here. That all over the lids, you know what I'm saying? All up in here. Little mermaid action going on. Ooh, okay, I like it. Okay, you see the reflectors, you see it. Want to take the black, that all in this crease area here to give it a more smoky kind of. And then we're gonna buff that out. Alright, and now I'm gonna do the eyebrow. It's time to do the eyebrow bone. I actually want to do a pop of color. I'm gonna go with the gold. That right there. Then we're gonna blend it out. Yeah, duh. Okay, so now it's time to move on to finishing up the rest of the face, honey. Color corrector has been applied, honey. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swipe on our foundation. Now that the foundation has been swiped on, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend it in. You like it, don't you? Don't you? I know. I know you do, girl. I do too. Shoot. We are gonna go back in with our concealer, and we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna do all of that. And now we blend. I'm sorry, what? You said what? You said who? You know what's next? It's time to get that contour highlight going on. So next we're gonna go in with our pressed powder, girl. Gosh, we are. Okay, that's right. So now it's time to do a neutral lip. Y'all already know. So you know I got my NYX Espresso. Then we're gonna go with Ruby Kisses. I don't know what color this is. Like this color right here. And then I'm gonna put my lip gloss on top of that. Yep, I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. So now it's lash time. Up. The lashes have been applied. You see it. Last but not least, we need to go ahead and put a little bit of that blush stuff on, you know what I'm saying? Like all up in here, you know, a little bronzer. Look. My favorite, the brown bronzer. Yes. Oh, yeah. So yes, that is the look. Little forest green, you know, shimmer, shimmer, smoky, smoky going on there. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Click that like and subscribe button for your girl.